The Skyway community really needs it. It's going to benefit so many people.
It's a really cool project to work on, just knowing that it is meaningful to the community.
As the architect, we're helping to design the building, 1960s era, mid-century modernist bank building. So the design itself, we didn't want to really reinvent it. We wanted to update it. The building, I believe, was donated in around October of 2021, and we had already started attending some of the pop-up events. So we started trying to capture the people who were attending those events, inviting them over to the building to give us input on what their thoughts would be. Following year, we met for 6 consecutive months, building each time. So we knew basically from the bare bones, like what the building was needed.
We wanted to work with that existing design and respect it, but also bring a fresh feeling to the facility and bring in community influences into the design as well. My role is basically to assist with coordination of the design and production of a lot of the design documentation, 3D modeling, producing the construction drawings for the project. Any project where you can come away from it feeling like you've made the community stronger or richer in some way, or just helped to contribute to the community, it just leaves you with a good feeling.
I'm the interior designer on the project, and so I get to figure out what's going to go in the space to make it most welcoming for tenants and visitors. We've had several community design meetings where folks come in and learn about the Skyway Resource Center, and then getting input from them on the designs that we presented. It was great to show everyone both the renderings that we had put together and then having the physical samples in front of them. And people really reacted very positively to that.
I've been working with King County Housing Authority for most of my career. Sunnie on their team coming in has just been a great partner for us in terms of keeping the project moving along.
My role in Skyway Resource Center project is really managing the financials, project managing the design, development, and then also overseeing the construction. King County Housing Authority is basically acting as an interim landlord and steward of the project. At the end, we definitely want to make sure the ownership of the property goes back to the community so they can actually own and manage and become a sustainable facility that provides all of the programs that the community members want to see.
I was responsible to coordinate vendors, partners that needed to access the site for anything, make sure that the maintenance is up to par and that the landscaping, the parking lot, everything's running smoothly. Ultimately, it's my job to make sure that the site looks good and looks presentable for everybody. I grew up in Skyway for a couple of years, so it's kind of just cool to see how the area has changed in the last 20 years and seeing how the community is actually getting involved to take care of themselves. There's not a lot of resources out there for a lot of people, and so I just love that community-based organizations are getting involved in the area that they are residing in. It's exciting to see that we're doing something that's going to benefit the community moving forward.